Many years ago, when I started out in this industry first and was trying to grow roses, if I wanted to have beautiful, clean, healthy roses, I had no option but to spray them every 10 days with a fungicide. Now today we don't want to be doing that, and so it's great that we're able to have modern rose hybridizers that are developing varieties like this gorgeous one that have a natural resistance to black spot. This is Rose Sweet Spirit, a lovely variety that we've been testing here for 3 years in what we call our no spray trials. This literally is a rose that grows here on the nursery and flowers with all of these beautiful, nice, big, bright colored flowers, and they don't need to be sprayed with a fungicide. More importantly than that, this is a variety that's vigorous and strong growing, producing lots of big fat buds, as you see, that then when they open produce these gorgeous flowers with a nice big high centered bud. More importantly than all of that is that if you were with me right now, you would be able to smell the beautiful sweet tea fragrance that each of these roses are giving off. Now I'll tell you that in growing roses, the really difficult thing to do is to breed a rose that's vigorous and strong growing, that has beautiful flowers, that has fragrance, and has good disease resistance. But I'm very pleased to tell you that this variety has all of that. Bred by the famous rose family in France, Meithatie roses, and introduced by Star Roses and Plants, this is a fantastic variety that will give you all of those glorious things I just mentioned. This is Rose Sweet Spirit, a beautiful rose that I hope you'll be able to grow. It gets to about 3 to 4 foot by about the same, and planted in a nice sunny well-drained spot. Roses are fairly hungry, so make sure to give them some fertilizer. When you get these nicely grown, container grown plants from the garden center, make sure to dig a good sized hole, work in some organic matter, water them well to get them started, and then look forward to having some absolutely gorgeous roses. And the nice thing about this variety is that it starts flowering in early summer and keeps going almost continually all the way through to the frosts of the autumn. As you can tell, we think an awful lot about this variety, and we think you will too. This is Rose Sweet Spirit.